Well, good morning. It is April the 24th, a Tuesday morning. Welcome to our morning update. I'm Pat McClatchy. Looking at the markets from overnight, we've got the cotton market up a slight amount. It was down earlier, firmed up. The grain markets right now are all across the board lower. Energy market is up. The dollar is down. Precious metals are all up. Stock markets are doing better today. Asia closed up. Europe is currently higher, and the U.S. is up. As far as news goes, grains are just seeing some follow-through from yesterday's sell-off. Improving weather there seems to be the main negative we've seen recently. The cotton market is holding, firming up. Today is first notice day. I guess some of the latest news talked about is the cool and wet conditions throughout the Mid-South and the Delta have not been very conducive to getting cotton planted. And then, of course, something we talked about yesterday, everybody in the financial markets are looking at the yield on the 10-year Treasury note, and we right now, this morning, as of recently, are just a fraction under 3%. That causes the world financial markets to stop and think that we could see some inflation picking up. Short term, that can be bad for everything. Longer term, it certainly would be good for commodity prices. Let's take a look at where we are. Cotton's up 4 in July at 84.16. The high is 84.55. The low is 83.92. July soybeans are down 2 right now, trading at 10.30 and a half. A high of 10.33 and 3/4, a low of 10.29 and 3/4. July corn is down 1 at 386 and a half with a high of 388 and a low of 386. July wheat down 5 at 469 and a half. That's the low of the day or of the overnight. The high is 475. Crude oil is up 26 cents a barrel in June at 68.89. The dollar is down 6. Gold up 4. Silver up 4. And at the last trade, the S&P is up 15. Now, we did get crop progress out yesterday, and we'll look at planting progress. Cotton right now, or as of yesterday afternoon, was 9% planted. The average for this time of the year is 10%. Soybeans are 2% planted, and that is the average, normally 2%. Corn is lagging. Corn right now is 5% planted. The average for this time of the year is 14%. Spring wheat is certainly lagging. It is at 3%, and the average for this time of the year is 25%. Winter wheat is 13% headed. The average is 19%. Winter wheat is 31% good to excellent. Let's look at the calendar for today, the 24th. Consumer confidence out at 9 o'clock. New home sales at 9 o'clock. API energy stocks at 3:30, and it is first notice day for cotton. So that's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.